How to download and install GTA 4 on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to download and install GTA 4 on PC. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch your web browser, click search bar and type in download GTA 4. Press enter on your keyboard. Now you will land on the section where you need to click the first link from Softonic, or you can even click from the Rockstar Games as well. So let me click from the Rockstar Games. You need to wait for a while until it gets loaded. Now you need to scroll down and then click on Buy Now button. Here you will be required to log into your Rockstar Games account or create one if you don't have it, and select a payment method, that is credit, debit card, PayPal, etc. Enter all the details and you need to agree to terms and complete the purchase. Once purchased, you can easily visit the library section and then download GTA 4. Follow installation instruction and start playing. And that's how you can successfully download and install GTA 4 on PC. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.